Streamline NX version 3 gives you powerful device management within a single application, so you can simplify administrative tasks while keeping costs low and efficiency high. If you need to refresh your entire device fleet, Streamline NX saves you time by letting you batch configure multiple devices at once, so you can deploy faster. Once you are happy with a device's settings, export those settings to create a template. Then, simply clone that template to configure similar MFPs. Keep efficiency high and enforce policies by managing what users can and cannot do. Issued cards used to authenticate can regulate access to features like color printing or certain scanning workflows, so users are only exposed to the features that they need. You can also default all users to more economical settings, such as black and white and duplex printing. Streamline NX tracks copy, print, scan, and fax usage initiated from an MFP, as well as activity from the desktop PC client or Streamline NX mobile app. Get an accurate picture of usage for any individual, group, department, client, or project. When you know who's printing what, you can assign costs to users for chargeback, whether for your internal accounting or to recover costs from a client. Simplify administrative tasks, save time, and control costs with Ricoh Streamline NX version 3.